So Darius suddenly gets news that fake evil Chucky has been seen outside in the field, and then Cyrus is also informed about fake Chucky presence. And Cyrus and Darius are shocked and worried after hearing about fake Chucky presence. And Cyrus and Darius are confused as to how fake Chucky can reach the house. And while Cyrus and Darius can't see anything outside, and Darius wants all the doors to be locked properly, and Cyrus and Darius check, then all the doors are already unlocked, and Darius feels something is wrong, and Cyrus says something outside, and it is seen that the same fake Chuck E. Cheese has come outside the house, and Cyrus tells him to go back, but this fake Chucky is not ready to go back, and his acting is very strange, and it feels like this fake Chucky is joking with Cyrus and Darius. And Cyrus and Darius are watching the act of fake Chucky, which is very strange, and Darius feels that all the doors should be locked and no attention should be paid to this fake Chucky. But fake Chucky is not listening to Cyrus and Darius and is trying to act funny. Then Cyrus and Darius lock the doors of the house and are watching fake Chucky from inside the house. And they are keeping an eye on fake Chucky, and then it is seen that fake Chucky suddenly disappears and they all get surprised and worried. Then Cyrus and Darius see the camera footage outside, and in the footage fake Chucky is outside near the pool, and fake Chucky is trying to do strange things by looking at the camera. And Cyrus and Darius are very fed up with this fake Chucky, and fake Chucky actions are very creepy, and Darius is thinking of some trick to drive this fake Chucky out of the house. And Cyrus starts worrying about Kaio. Then Cyrus runs towards the room for Kaio, and it is seen that fake Chucky is trying to open the door of Kaio's room. And fake Chucky also has a picture of newborn baby, and from fake Chucky actions it is felt that it has come for Kaio. Then Cyrus gets brave and runs after fake Chucky, but fake Chucky manages to escape, and Cyrus is unable to catch fake Chucky and he runs away very fast. And Cyrus finds the photo that fake Chucky left behind, and it is a photo of a newborn baby. And Cyrus starts worrying about Kaio, and Cyrus tries to find that fake Chucky around the house. But fake Chucky is nowhere to be found, and Darius thinks that there might be a boy in that fake Chucky costume. And then Cyrus checks Kaio, and Kaio is happily sleeping in the room.